Okay, so my first question, do you have a New Year's resolution? Or do you believe in that?
Para na importante gihapon nga kada usa nato sa look into ourselves and find out a way we can live a better tomorrow. No? So, on a personal note ng akon is, I join the desire of many priests matutpad to be holy and to be righteous. No? Kaya mo magiging ang challenge alang namo. I also pray that more and more we journey with appreciation, especially the many lay people. Kanindot piya una-unahon nga kataghan na nakakita sa ilang role sa pag lakaw sa simbahan. Labi na nga natuo kita nga matagusan nato, we need one another. Matod pa ni po, ang idea is yung we journey together, synodality. I like the idea, no? And I often repeat this, no? We are co-essential. No? What it was about, we need one another. And I think it is in the spirit nga labi na ito ma-concretize ang theme for the year, ecumenism, interreligious dialogue, and even indigenous people. This should be basic respect for each one. And the conviction that whether Catholics or not, whether Muslim or Christians, whether Buddhist or non-believer, all of us are all God's children, and we need to understand that we can all contribute to a better world if we go beyond our differences and try to find a way to work together. Labi na daghang mga butang that transcend religion, like for instance ecology, and of course environmental concerns. And I think these things we can do as we look forward to the new year.
Matangan po sa 2020 ani nga year of ecumenism and religious dialogue.
Daghang mga programa, no? Ang punto lang yun is it's a recent appreciation sa atong mabuhat ba, kasi you would recall there was a time na mag-irinagpay. That's a sad fact in history, but now I think more and more people are aware that there are many things that unite rather than divide.
Mas constant ang communication with other religions.
There is a regular encounter meetings, no? And because this is the trust of CBCP, we find it a way to really encourage the various participants to appreciate any opportunity to know each other, to be friends with one another, to be neighbors to each other, and hopefully to work together for something beyond religion.
Your priest speak of killings in 2019 lowered in the last quarter of the year. Kanang ato ba ni siyang refer sa atong strong prayer for
we do believe that prayer can help, and we also believe in the conversion of hearts. Sayon kita nga in the heart of every person of goodwill, punta dili sa malipay kung may magkamatay ba, no? Labi na kung di ganin sigurado kung may sala ba, no? And we know that tears, no, and sadness and cries, and lamentations hit us in a manner that we know kung sa music ba yabag.
We will welcome a new year, but there's still a lot of unresolved cases.
We know, and the challenges, of course, no, for the authority, no, to really address the issue. We know, and I believe, no, the cries of the innocent are also a constant reminder, no, to people of good conscience to really face the issue, and of course to try to be sincere in adopting a culture of life rather than a culture of death.
Hindi palayo pa na ako. His Excellency, ang orasyon karatan.
To me, maayo lagi di padayon mo because it makes us aware that until there are killings, we need the grace of God. And of course, it is a reminder that beside prayers, we have to work out something that can help solve the issue.
Every season na po, yung mga panimangno, panginaon for these years.
Gikalipay na ito nga, famous kayo kining atong sinulog, no? It is a culture that has touched the hearts of many, and many come to Cebu because they know that as we dance the Señor's Communion, we worship the God-man, but we also realize that it brings about something that's not only religious, no, but a religion that has gone into culture. And that's why we say, to the extent that we come here to rejoice, no, to participate, the more we realize that we are brothers, the more we realize that there is something beautiful here that we should preserve. No? And the more I think we are challenged to live out to our being sisters and brothers.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Isa pong mandatory selfie sa
Last picture for the year.
Last picture for 1990.
Okay.
Laban lang tayo.
Adik may masunog eh.
Maksud na kita, sir.
There you go. Okay. Salamat.
Thank you, Archbishop.
Sige.
Thank you, Archbishop.
Thank you, Archbishop. Thank you.
Sige to.